Small part assembly usually fails in two places: unstable gripping, inaccurate placement, and damage to delicate parts. Manual assembly can handle samples, but cycle time, angle, and contact force are hard to keep consistent in volume production. A robot cell separates picking, locating, insertion, and checking into repeatable steps that can be recorded. The core points are compliant gripping, visual location, force limiting, and a reliable fixture datum. In the footage, the robot repeats short pick-in-place moves and feeds parts into a fixed assembly position. The value is designing low-damage handling and stable takt time into the same production cell. Sensor caps, PCBA parts, small plastic pieces, and precision metal parts can be evaluated with the same logic. EVST first checks part tolerance, contact surfaces, allowable force, and changeover frequency before designing the robot cell.